Hi there, Barbie lovers! Welcome back to Busy from Germany. I'm Busy from Germany, and today we have a special guest. This is our number 6 Ponytail Barbie from last year, and we have one last step to do to finish the repair completely. So this is my Ponytail number 6 from last year with her new body, and she still has an ink stain here. Not super great, but we can remove it in a very easy way. I bought Stain Devil for ink today, and we are going to put her arm in this Stain Devil ink remover, and for this I have already prepared an egg cup. Super duper easy. Put a bit in there. I think that's enough. And then we put her arm in there. Make sure that she's standing in a secure way, and then we have to wait 1 or 2 days and we will get the stain out. So see you back in 1 or 2 days. Stain Devil here did not work in the case of a vintage Barbie. I have had some success with Superstar Barbie and stain removal, but it does not seem to work for vintage Barbie dolls. It's okay. Then we go on and use acne cream. And if this does not work, I have another one. Let's use some acne cream in a next step, because I had the hand for over a week in Stain Devil and nothing really happened. So let's try Clearasil next, and when we have no luck with Clearasil, then we are going to use Benzaknen. And we have to wrap a little bit of cling film around the hand so that it stays soft and does not become hard. I got myself here 2 rubber bands. To keep the cream moist, and then I will put her in the kitchen so that she gets some sunlight, because we need some sunlight for this reaction, although the sun has not fully come back yet. So I have tried Clearasil for quite some time and I had no success, but it might also have been dependent on the lighting situation that we had in the last month. Because when I started the whole adventure, it was still very dark and it was late winter, and now some weeks have passed by and we have a lot more sunlight. And I decided to work with Benzaknen after I tried Clearasil for a while, and that's what really helped me with the stain, because this stuff got me the stain away. Here's what I finally used. I used the Benzaknen acne cream and put it on the stain and put my doll out in the sun with something like a leash so that the doll could not be stolen, because I had problems years before with my doll head that was stolen, and I wanted to avoid this time. And I put her out in the sun for several weeks, because we did not have sunny afternoons every day, and so I sometimes had to take a break and start again 1 or 2 days later with my Benzaknen cream, and that's why
I think I put her on the balcony for over 4 weeks now. Anyway, it's a process that works with the sun. Don't know, the bleaching material in the cream somehow bleaches the stain away, but it lasts a while. So here you can see the result. I know it's hard to film, but the stain is gone, I would say. She has still the white on her hand. I have to remove the rest of the Benzaknen cream. My dear viewers, here is our number 6 ponytail without a stain now. We successfully removed the stain here. Thank you for staying until the end of this video here. I like to share my thoughts with you. What I have learned is that when you use an acne cream, use Benzaknen for vintage Barbie bodies. It helps best. That's my experience. Benzaknen is an acne cream with 10% bleaching material in it. Don't know if it is called Benzaknen all over the world, but you find something in the area where you find acne creams. There you should find something with 10% bleaching material in it, and that will work for you too and your vintage dolls. Let me know in the comments about your experiences with vintage Barbie dolls and removing stains. I'd like to know what you have experienced. Please let me know in the comments below. And please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more new videos. See you very, very soon. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye!